various numbers.
Ria, now will you learn about odd, even, prime and composite numbers?
What are these, Mother? Is it not very confusing?
No, Ria, it's very interesting to learn. Let's begin with odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers, such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99 are odd numbers less than 100. Even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 are even numbers less than 100. Prime numbers. The numbers which are divisible only by itself or by 1 are known as prime numbers, such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97 are prime numbers less than 100. Composite numbers. All numbers greater than 1 which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers, such as 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16 etc. are composite numbers.